Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name is Ryan with Iowa Classic Cars, and today we're doing the brakes on the all-original Survivor 1965 Impala 327 automatic car. This is one of the first cars that I've had that the brake drums will actually come off without needing to cut them with a torch or use a BFH. So that is a good sign, but I'm going to replace the rubber lines here that go to the actual steel brake lines and then the wheel cylinders. And hopefully we'll have brakes, so stick around. Alright, first part of any job when you're underneath the car is a jack stand, because no reason to die. Alright, so also going to need some vice grips, a BFH, sockets, wrenches, and a flat screwdriver. I also take pictures of this before I actually disassemble it, because there's so many springs and little trinkets here, and you never know what you're going to lose or what's going to come off flying, so you want to know that you have everything and it's in the right spot. So let's start turning this thing down. There's the second side. That one is off. This one's kind of goofy because it's got a spring right here that actually keeps it tight, but it's got like this arm right here that's attached to this part of the brake shoe. So you can't really, this isn't a spring obviously, so you can't bend this. So I just found it's easiest just to pull the one spring off and then pull the whole assembly off the other side. Put the spring back where it goes, and then take that off of there. Pull the little plungers out of the wheel cylinder, and now we can take that loose. So on the backs, there's just two little bolts that hold it in place. The fronts have got this single nut holding them in place. But it's always rounded off there, so you don't accidentally have that thing back out on you. So I think that is a 1 inch. The official size is 15/16. You could do this by hand, but I've got my Milwaukee Impact. And obviously don't goose it, but just there we go. You want to keep the adjuster and that retaining piece of metal there, but now the whole wheel cylinder is out. So now we just got to take this line loose, and I believe that is 3/8. Alright, so welcome back. I just spent the last 5 minutes fighting this line here, but that's okay. So now let's put everything kind of back where it belongs. Then the brake shoes go back on, and you try to get those lined up, which obviously they're going to fight me. That's right, we'll come back to those. Get the locking pin through the hole there. Take the spring and the little boot, and spend 5 minutes looking for your lost set of vice grips. There they are. Just clamp down on that, hold the back side, get it on there and twist, and she's locked in place. Now do the same thing with this side. Alright, so take a screwdriver, let go. There we go. So as you guys saw there, I know obviously a lot of you know how to do this, but some younger people might not. Put your screwdriver in, leverage it up like that. Pretty simple. So any screwdriver will work, but you just go like this, leverage the spring, and it should sit. Pretty simple, really. However, when it snaps back and catches you, it's not so fun. So now we do the other side. Like that. That is not what you want to have happen. There we go. So we have a brand new master, or a brand new brake cylinder, brand new line. I'm using the original brakes. They're not terrible. I mean, they're not brand new, obviously, but they work. They will work. Now what we have to do is just bleed this brake, and then we will have working brakes. So one side done. I'm gonna do the other side. We'll bleed these things, and hopefully we'll have a first drive tonight. All right, everybody, got her backed out. First drive over in 15 years. Another pretty rare thing about this car is the fact that it comes with a custom accessory book, which would have explained, all the different accessories you could order for the car. Comes with the owner's guide, which is also in really nice shape. But the coolest of them all is the 1965 Chevrolet Owner Protection Plan. Let's get this open here. Talks about battery warranty, all the servicing, all that good stuff. And at the very back, there's a Protecto plate. George Swim out of Rawlins, Wyoming, owned this brand new. Picked it up May 20th, 1965. Pretty dang cool. Not many cars have that paperwork with them, especially after 50 years. I put the dog dish hubcaps back on as well. This back brake is rubbing a little bit. I think the drum It just needs replaced. You can definitely hear it when you're driving, but it does not get hot, so I'm not worried about it too much. This car is absolutely beautiful. It's a true survivor. It shows its age, but it has 99% of its original paint, sheet metal, all that good stuff. The only spot in the floor that I could actually find of rust is in the trunk floor, and it's probably, you know, got 'em, it's probably about that big. And you can see it from underneath. It is not bad at all. It's also got the accessory rear bumper guards. The lights work. The glove box light works. The turn signals work. The horn clicks, but it does not actually make the noise. Car has seat belts, tilt steering. Beautiful car. This car is for sale. I'm talking to some people right now overseas about it, so it might be sold by the time you guys have seen this video. But if you are serious, send me an email at iowaclassiccars@gmail.com. I should also mention it's got a litter container, a factory GM litter container, and a day and night mirror. The headliner's torn, but it's not bad. Door's shut like brand new. And again, the motor is a 327 with a power glide. It has new wheel cylinders, new rubber lines, a new master cylinder. Motor's been tuned up. The motor has not been rebuilt. It is as found. And as you guys can see, fires right up. It's very quiet. No blow by. I hope you guys can hear the exhaust rumble. That's how good this thing sounds. So yeah, she is for sale. But if you guys enjoyed the video for today, make sure to leave a like rating, as well as comment your favorite accessory on this car. There's tilt steering, seat belts, day-night mirror, the litter container, and the bumper guards. So let me know which is your favorite accessory. And if you guys are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe, and you will stay up to date with all my latest and greatest finds. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Ryan with Iowa Classic Cars, and I will catch you next time.